the next generation of mobile. Welcome to this presentation on the next generation of mobile, a comparative study of 5 leading smartphones. Today, we'll explore 5 models: iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, OnePlus 13R, iQOO Neo 10R, and Redmi A4, to understand how they stand across performance, design, features, and value. By the end, you'll see how each device caters to specific user needs and price segments. The smartphone landscape, from flagship to budget. The smartphone market in 2025 offers a wide range, from ultra-premium flagships to affordable 5G options. In this study, we compare 5 models across different tiers. Our goal is simple: to determine the best value and feature set for various users, whether you prioritize camera performance, gaming power, or affordability. The lineup ranges from Apple's iPhone 15 at the premium end, all the way to Redmi's A4 for entry-level users. The engine room, processor, RAM, and speed. Let's start with performance, the core of every smartphone. The iPhone 15 runs on Apple's A16 Bionic chip, optimized for smooth performance within the iOS ecosystem. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra uses Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2400, delivering cutting-edge AI capabilities. The OnePlus 13R and iQOO Neo 10R both pack high-end Snapdragon processors designed for multitasking and gaming. At the budget end, Redmi A4 uses the efficient Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 chip, ideal for basic 5G use. RAM varies from 4GB in budget phones to up to 16GB in ultra-premium flagships, ensuring a huge performance gap across segments. Clarity and fluidity display technology. Display quality is a major differentiator. The Galaxy S24 Ultra leads with a 6.9-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. OnePlus 13R and iQOO Neo 10R also offer high refresh rate AMOLED screens for immersive viewing. The iPhone 15 provides Apple's Super Retina XDR OLED panel, known for color accuracy but limited to 60 Hz. Meanwhile, Redmi A4 offers a large LCD screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, great for budget users, but less vibrant than AMOLED panels. In short, premium devices focus on brightness and adaptive refresh rates, while budget phones prioritize size and value. Capture the moment camera system breakdown. Cameras remain a key buying factor. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra dominates here with a 200MP main sensor and advanced zoom up to 100x, ideal for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 15 focuses on cinematic video quality and reliable performance with its 48MP main and dual 12MP secondary cameras. OnePlus and iQOO deliver solid camera experiences with 50MP sensors and 4K recording. Redmi A4 provides a capable 50MP setup for its price, but lacks the advanced features of higher tiers. So, while flagship cameras push boundaries, budget models cover essentials. Powering your day: battery life and fast charging. Battery performance varies widely. The iPhone 15 offers modest capacity but efficient power use, complemented by MagSafe wireless charging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra provides a large battery with fast charging and battery optimization. OnePlus 13R and iQOO Neo 10R both shine with massive 6000 to 6400 mAh batteries and 80W fast charging, ideal for power users and gamers. Redmi A4 provides long-lasting endurance with moderate fast charging, great for basic daily use. Each model balances battery life with its target audience in mind. The differentiators why choose each phone. Each phone stands out in its own way. The iPhone 15 is perfect for those invested in the Apple ecosystem and seeking top-tier security and video quality. Samsung's S24 Ultra appeals to professionals and creators with its S Pen, Galaxy Eye tools, and titanium build. The OnePlus 13R delivers near flagship performance at a fraction of the cost, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and fast charging. The iQOO Neo 10R is a gamer's delight, combining performance with a massive battery. And for first-time 5G users, Redmi A4 brings affordability without sacrificing essentials. Summary: flagships versus value. To wrap up, the market offers strong choices at every price point. Premium models like the iPhone 15 and Galaxy S24 Ultra lead in design, and multimedia. The OnePlus 13R and iQOO Neo 10R offer exceptional value, blending flagship-level power with affordability. Meanwhile, the Redmi A4 ensures 5G access for everyone at under 10,000 rupees. The takeaway: whether you want performance, ecosystem, or budget value, there's a smartphone built for your needs.